Good morning, everyone. I am tired, but I need to upload some photos for my class. Yay. Let's see how this goes. Because I have so many good photos to use. Oh my god. So many good ones. So many good ones. I didn't check to see if that entire scene was in frame, but I prayed to the Lord that it was. I'm so tired, and I'm probably gonna vlog more today while I FaceTime Kiara. If you can't already tell, I need to take off my glasses like usual. If you can't already tell, I have severe bangs under my eyes. I'm like even looking at my own bangs. Bags. Meh. This is what I get for staying up late doing schoolwork and FaceTiming Kiara. Meh. But I'm gonna go to sleep. I need to finish that. I need help doing that, I realized. Fuck, why does all my co-op stuff have to need help? Emailing the teacher I'm with for co-op. It's gonna be really fucking hard. I don't know why I bleeped myself out, but I did. You can't tell right now, but like if you look at my poster, you can see that I'm shaking a little. I'm trying to get to sleep, but the only thing going through my head is fucking siren heads. Thank you, Kiara, for torturing the hell out of me by making me do those quizzes. There's birds chirping outside, but I don't know if those are real birds or not. Fuck you, Kiara. I love you, but fuck you. Are birds meant to chirp at 5:06 in the morning? I am so tired. I want to get to sleep, but the only thing going through my head is siren heads. Fucking hell. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Fuckity fuck fuck. Fuck. Let me fucking live my life in peace. I'm tired. Fuck this shit. You can really see the bags in this view. The wonderful life of a high school student slash cosplayer slash someone who's very, very fucking lonely. You know what? At this point, I might as well stay up and fucking torture myself, even though I'm tired. Think happy thoughts of the next convention. Happy thoughts, happy thoughts, happy thoughts. Fun story is I'm getting a microwave as a graduation gift. A fucking microwave. Good afternoon, everyone. It is probably around like 1:19, and I am just getting up. My stomach just rumbled. Yay. Jax is licking his feet. Jax. Jax. Puppy. Jax. Puppy, can you not lick your feet? Yeet. There we go, that stopped him.
Good afternoon.
So guys, it's been a couple hours since I last filmed anything. Maybe because Kiara called me, I ate breakfast, and got distracted. Kiara, all that. What are you doing? Equal rights.
Equal fight.
Equal rights to trash bags.
Equal rights.
There's Maxim chasing a poop bag. Maxim, get the poop bag! Jax is Maxim chasing a poop bag. Stop running! Maxim, you're gonna have to run all the way back if he poops. That's why I'm walking ahead, you dipshit.
Head. What did you say about it?
I said that's why we're walking ahead, dipshit.
Imagine randomly going out to a room and asking her to peg her.
You are weird. Stop throwing the shit! So, Maxim is running ahead.
Let's try it again.
Don't stop throwing the poop!
Oh, it landed on my arm.
Oh, Jack's taking a pee. Stop throwing the poop. Jax, I called you ew. Don't you dare fucking throw that piece of shit at me. Then I'll have then I'll have evidence that you threw poop at me.
Watch me speed run this.
What the fuck did you do, Maxim? Jax. Come on, Jax. Time to go home. Come on. Look at that foot. Yes, I am fully aware of the little dot on my screen. It's like the inside of the camera is broken, not the lens. Come on, Jax. Let's go. Let's get him. Let's get him. Let's get him. I have a splinter in my crotch. Come on, Jax. I know you can do it. Come on.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to. Oh, it's slobbing all over me.
I'm getting tired from laughing. We currently have the back door open.
No.
This is how quarantine's going. Maxim's lost his breath easily when he used to be able to run all across our old elementary school. Maxim, don't run up there! Maxim, you dumbass. The next day, Maxim found eggs. Right in here. That's the nest. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, they're the eggs.
What'd you film?
Vlog.
Slow-mo. You want to see it?
No.
Did I bring it back?
So, Maxim's doing it again.
I wish we were going like around here because then I could.
I have to. Maxim, can you like not? I have my earbuds in, so
Wait, do I have to turn it on? Oh yeah, I do.
the audio is gonna be really weird. Do you want to go all the way around?
Yeah, let's go all the way around.
Okay. Okay. Gets in trouble on a Zoom chat with your teacher. What are you gonna do? Call my parents? What are you gonna do? Send me home? They're doing construction over there. That's been.
Oh, they've been doing that for months.
Yeah, they've been doing that
They
since we.
started in the summer and now look at this.
Yeah, they've got more done on that than they did on
Yeah,
than they
because
did on that house.
different.
You found a brick?
Yeah.
Oh, a brick. Maxim stubbed his toe on a brick. Yeet the brick. Don't actually yeet the brick, and if you're gonna yeet the brick, yeet it that way. You're weird. Maxim has yeeted the brick.
They were looking at me while I was doing.
Oh fuck. Oh, those women are there. Oh shit.
Where that's a pot. Can you get pot,
Oh, look at shit, Chan. Jax, you need to go. Okay, so I'm the one who's gonna have to walk around the plant, you dipshit. He's a bit of a bitch.
I'm doing it again.
Don't stop throwing.
I got it again.
Stop throwing the bag of shit. So Maxim's. I almost said blowing a bag of shit. Maxim's trying to throw a bag of shit. Max, remember the 2 bags that you threw around? And Maxim, remember the times when you threw a bag of shit and it exploded twice?
No. Watch this magic trick. You're gonna see poop
one.
here.
I got that on
My
film.
ankle. Ow, that hurt like shit. Oh, they're doing the same.
Maxim, stop fucking swearing, you piece of shit. There's fucking kids around.
See if I care.
Fucking hell. Don't be taking the puppy's stick. So I don't know what they're doing here. But yeah, Jax has a stick.
I don't know why he has it. Can I have it back? Can I have the stick back? He won't give it back. Oh,
Okay, so we're both looking at the stick now.
What are you trying to do?
So there's a river here.
Bird. Oh, it's gonna attack the bird. It's gonna attack the bird.
Oh, I'm getting this all on camera.
Damn.
I got that all on camera.
Oh, it protects. It
Yeah,
protects and attack.
the nest is right there. So there's the asp, right? Max.
Oh, it's gone.
The nest is right up there, and it just went and fed one of its babies.
It's
You
not black.
are nasty.
It's a milk chocolate. It's a white chocolate. It's a vanilla. It's
Currently in the woods.
It's quite goodly shaped.
And I don't want you getting any ticks. Yeah, we're not meant to be in the woods because ticks. Maxim already found a tick on Jax. And I don't want Jax getting any more ticks on him. Ooh, colorful rock. And I know I'm out here without a mask.
Oh, mask. Who needs one?
Well, when you're going out in public, yes, you need a mask.
There's a bee.
A bee! It's a buzzy buzz bee! Oh, there's somebody over there in their yard.
You didn't know?
I just now realized. There's a buzz bee. Buzz motherfucker. Also, I adore this hat I got from Spencer's. I'm scared that they're gonna look at me. One of my most dreadful fears is people looking at me. This time I don't have a splinter in my crotch. I have a splinter in my leg. Why does every time I try and take out my camera, someone's either doing something or on the trail? I gave Maxim leaf privileges. I meant leash privileges. Jax hates running. They're running ahead of me. There's people fishing everywhere. I've counted a total of 5 fishers. I'm always making sure that nobody's on the trail or nobody's at their house, because there's houses over here. So, yeah, this is gonna be fun. Can you
I'm baiting him. Come on.
He hates running, you should know that. Maxim, Jax is a fat ass. You should know that by now.
Oh, he got it.
Jax, you had to stick. Lake, apartment. Nobody's following us.
You keep dropping it.
So, at some point, Kiara and I are planning on filming a survival thing out here. We were originally going to do it in my backyard, but there's no trees anymore, so we're planning on doing it here or at our school during the summer, but those plans changed since the quarantine happened. Jax has a new stick. Sorry for the shaky camera quality. On leash area. Cool. Here's something I don't understand. We're back home from the giant walk. But what I don't understand is when they take out the dog, when my parents take out the dog, we're meant to feed him. But then when we take out the dog, we're meant to feed him. The frustration. So I'm gonna feed him now. Are you a hungry boy? I'm tired. So my vlog is gonna be very, very shaky. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Sit. Come here. Good boy. Okay. Okay. Oh, he does. Fetus the fetus and commit self-deletus. That is my quote for the day. It is the 3rd day of vlogging, and I'm just saying this so that I can say good night to you guys. Tomorrow I am going to the cottage, so nothing really much is gonna happen besides cleaning the cottage and all that. So I just wanted to come on here and say good night. I keep on looking at myself even though I know I'm not supposed to. I'll see you guys probably in the next vlog whenever that is. But anyway, bye.